What's up guys, this is Vi and today I'm gonna show you how to use dodge and burn technique to level up your portrait game. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the perfect way to dodge and burn your pictures, and I'm gonna give you some useful tips to just improve your photography. Cool. Okay, so if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Cool. So this is the image I'm gonna work with, and so first of all I'm gonna just create a levels adjustment layer. I'm gonna go to multiply, just change the blending mode of this layer to multiply, and now I'm gonna select the layer mask and I'm gonna press Ctrl plus I to just invert the mask. Now I'm gonna choose my brush tool and make sure the hardness is set to 0% and the mode is set to normal. Opacity somewhere around, I guess, 62%, and flow to 5%. Cool. Now I'm gonna just paint it with white. So I'm gonna just paint in the areas where I think it requires a little bit more of darkness. So I'm gonna just paint in right there. Cool. So you can see like I'm getting some dark details right there. Cool. Okay, so if you have problem painting, I'm gonna suggest to just create a black and white adjustment layer. Okay, and just decrease the yellows and reds, and this will show you where to burn the area. Like the darker parts are the area where you should be doing the burning part. So just select this layer and just paint in the dark areas. Make the brush smaller for detailing. Cool. Just like so. Cool. And the rule of thumb for this is make the brush smaller, like 50 or even smaller if that's what the image demands, to just paint in and detail the area, and make the brush bigger, like 500 or 1000 pixels big, so that you can just softly paint on the skin area that doesn't require that much of detailing. So I'm gonna just quickly paint. Okay, let me just disable the black and white layer. So we have like done a great job burning it. So I'm gonna just rename this to burn, and I'm gonna use this on the hairs and the clothing as well, so that it makes them pop a little. Cool. I'm gonna just add some details right now. Okay, let's see. Cool. So now I'm gonna just create another levels adjustment layer, and I'm gonna change the blending mode to screen. Cool. And I'm gonna just press Ctrl plus I to just invert the mask, and the same thing applies here. I'm gonna just paint in with white. So this time I'm gonna just paint on the areas that needs a little bit more of highlighting. So like there. Paint in there, right there. Okay, this is obviously too much, so I'm gonna just decrease the opacity. Cool. Now I'm gonna just paint in with micro. Just a little bit burning over there. Cool. Just paint on the hairs. Dodge. Cool. I'll rename this to Dodge. Cool. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just select this burn layer and I'm gonna decrease the flow to around 3% and I'm gonna increase the opacity to somewhere around 80%. Now I'm gonna just fine tune the effect a little. I'm gonna just match off the tones a bit. Okay, that's looking great. Okay, if any point you feel like you have done too much, just change the color to black and erase from that area. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna just paint a little right there. Okay, so you can obviously take your time and do this. I will just show you the original example really quick. So this is the original example. So I took quite a lot of time to create this. So you can see just the before and the after. The technique is the same, and it's just the areas that I have dodged or not. And this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you're never missing future updates. Also, if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and the comment section is all yours. Make sure to give your valuable comments right there, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.